2026 GMC Savana 3500 motorhome stands as a remarkable blend of power, space, and functionality, perfect for those who wish to travel without compromise. This vehicle brings together the robustness of a heavy-duty van with all the comforts you'd want for a home on wheels. Whether you're a weekend explorer or someone who prefers life on the road, the 2026 Savana 3500 offers a refuge of relaxation alongside impressive performance. One of the first things you notice is its commanding presence. The Savana 3500's high roof and box-like shape maximize interior space, making it a versatile platform for customizing your own motorhome. Inside, there's plenty of room for a comfortable sleeping area, a small kitchenette, a lounge, and even a restroom, turning every trip into a convenient experience. The seats can be reorganized or removed to account for your preferences, adding an unmistakable feeling of personalization. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana 3500 is powered by a strong and reliable V8 engine. This powerful motor is designed to handle heavy loads without straining, making highway drives, climbs up steep roads, and towing much easier. The transmission smoothly transitions through its range of gears, delivering both power and control whether you're navigating city streets or countryside roads. The rear-wheel drive platform further adds stability, especially when the vehicle is fully loaded with people, equipment, and luggage. Safety is a key consideration in the 2026 Savana 3500, reflecting its role as both a family vehicle and a home on wheels. The motorhome comes equipped with advanced driver-assisting technologies, including lane departure warning, forward collision alert, rear park assist, and rear-view camera, all designed to aid the driver in maneuvering safely and efficiently. The strong chassis and high-profile frame contribute to its ability to absorb impacts and protect passengers in the event of a collision. Inside, the 2026 Savana 3500 offers a thoughtful blend of practicality and style. Durable materials that are easy to clean enable you to keep the space spotless, while comfortable seats and convenient storage compartments make long journeys less tiring. The cabinetry, lighting, and fixtures can be customized to suit your preferences, whether you want a cozy space for a small family or a fully equipped mobile base for outdoor adventuring. One highlight for many motorhome owners is its ability to be a true, self-contained vehicle, a place where you can cook, rest, work, or simply enjoy a break from a hectic lifestyle, without needing to rely on external accommodations. The 2026 Savana 3500 lets you bring your routines with you, making it a convenient way to travel without feeling disconnected from the routines of home. Overall, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 motorhome stands as a strong and adaptable platform for those who wish to combine their love for travel with the familiarity and functionality of a comfortable living space. Whether you're a solitary explorer, a growing family, or a group of friends, this vehicle offers a flexible solution for turning every mile into a new opportunity for adventure.